So the data template is nothing but it's the replace of RDF data model. What is the RDF you created previously? The RDF data model, it is replaced with the data template. You can keep on mind that. That is very, very important. Now, how it is going to working with the data template? So the data template is going to working like first it is going to always converting the XML data structure. Okay, it is working based on the XML data structure, and it is XML data engine is going to converting the data. Let me explain you here. You can see in the diagram. So what will happen here? Data engine processor is going to taking that data template. Now data engine utility is going to, and after the data template it is going to converting. This is going to data processor engine is going to converting the data into XML output. Now that XML output is going to converting that RTF is converting that into output. The output may be either in RDF output, XML or Word document or PDF document. How you want, you can select it. It will support all e-types, everything, every output format it will support. But the thing is, what you need to understand here, you need to understand first the data template, the data engine processor is going to converting the data template data into XML output. The XML output it is going to that report generator engine is going to based on the RTF template, it is going to convert into the output. Are you clear, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Moving on to the next one. Now it's very, very important. Again, this data template is going to supporting what are the functionality it is going to supporting. So you can see here what functionalities is going to supporting the data template. The data template is going to supporting by the schema generation. Schema generation means you can connect to the any schema you can going to connect it. Default RTF template generation also you can able to do it. Default RTF template generation means, see that day I show you, right? Insert all, automatically we are going to generate the RTF layout. Okay, and the flex fields it is going to support it. Flex fields means, so you can see in Vara class level DFF and KFF, descriptive flex field and key flex fields. So how you want to see that, then you can going to it will support this data templates. Okay. Then you can go on to single and multiple data queries. So now single and multiple data queries means you can see that suppose you are going to doing a single query. Let me show you one example. Then after that I will explain you more. Okay. Let me show you. So this is my sample data template structure. See the structure here. How the structure is? The structure should be going to the first. It is going to the version of the XML 1.0 encoding UTF-8. It's mandatory. That is, whenever you are going to put the tag only, then only it will support the XML version. Otherwise, it will not going to support. And next thing is going to the what?
This should write in the Word document.
Right. This is the steps to. Let me. I am explaining one data sample data template here. First, I will explain it, and then I will going to show you in the Word document level. Then you can able to understand what is what.
Fine. Carry on.
Okay. Right. Now, so if you can going to see here, the first line it is XML version 1.0 encoding UTF-8. The XML schema generation is going to supported by this UTF-8 format encoding, and the version is 1.0. The second line is completely it is just your comments. I mean tempo of the who created this, what is the template name, when you created, and who is created. Okay, you will going to put your comments here. Then only, suppose someone is going to modifying next level, then they will going to understand when we created and what we done. So what are the things you want, we will going to change it to these details. Okay. So now next thing is going to, this is the data template. The data template, here we are going to start the data template. So if you start the data template means immediately you need to end the data template. So you can see here, let me collapse this all. So you will going to see here now. Now I collapsed it completely. See now, if you start a data template tag, immediately you need to end the data template here.
Okay.
The version 1.0, the name of the template name you need to give. Okay. So then, see, you need to follow, it's not a case sensitive, this is, okay. It's not a case sensitive, you need to follow exactly the same way. See, if you can see data template, if T is capital, if you put small, then it will not work. Understood?
Okay.
Keep in mind that is. Now the data template, you started the version of the template 1.0, the name of the template you are mentioned here. It should be in single quotes. And then next you can go into parameters, properties, sorry. Properties means the XML output. What is the XML output it is going to generate it for you? Is it in uppercase you want or lowercase you want? You can decide it into the properties level. Okay.
Okay.
So in the properties level, property name and value. Value should be either upper or lower. Even if you are not mentioned also, it will take by default upper only. Okay. The thing is, you can, if you want lower, you can mention it. If you are not taking by default, it will take the upper XML output. Okay. Is it clear this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, next go into the next section. Now, next section is parameters. What are the parameters you have in your SQL query, in your report query? What are the parameters you have? You can take that parameters to here. You can take it n number of parameters, or either a date type parameter. Here it is suppose invoice number. Sorry, invoice date. It's a date. Date format also, canonical date format it will going to support.
Okay.
So like this, so here it is your parameter, name of the parameter, type of the parameter, and you can pass the value also, suppose the default value. Parameter value also you can pass. If you have a suppose the default parameter, suppose what is that invoice number 101012. If this is a default one, you can pass this also like this way. But maximum user selected parameters it will be available. But always it should be going to like this. The parameters you can add it n number of parameters to here in the list. Suppose now you have one more parameter, you can add it like this way and number of parameters for this. Now next is going to lexical parameters. Lexical parameters you can put it into n number of lexical parameters. So what is the lexical parameter mean? Sir, do you know what is the difference between lexical and the bind parameter?
Yeah,
Any idea?
parameters means you're passing the string, whole string.
Right. So if you are going to suppose bind parameter means you are going to replacing a single value in the runtime. Okay, you can able to pass the single value in the runtime to the SQL query. Understood?
Yeah.
Suppose now shall start from the table name. So shall start from employee table where department number equal to parameter. So you can how many values you can able to pass? Only single department number you can able to pass. Okay. So now suppose if you want to pass it as a the whole thing. Let me explain it clearly. One second. Right. Now see sir. Now what we can call bind parameter. Okay, bind parameter. Select star from some table name. Okay, emp where debit number equal to colon p underscore debit number. So p underscore debit number. So when I am going to running this, what will happen? You can able to pass the value. Okay.
Yeah.
You can pass a single value to the query. You can able to pass the single value to query in runtime. Understood?
Yes.
Now, what is this now bind parameter? What type of value you can pass? Value means either a character or a number or a date. Whatever it is, you can pass it. Okay. Lexical parameters.
Yes.
Now, lexical parameter means what you can do instead of single value, you can pass a statement.
Yeah.
Directly, you can pass a statement. So now, what I can do? And symbol L param. So when you are running, you can pass the value statement to the select query. Okay, clear now?
Yeah.
What type of statement you can able to pass? You can able to pass the single value, right? You can pass the statement, SQL statement.
Yes.
Statement to query. What type of statement it will come? Statement like either select statement or from statement, okay, or where or group by, like this. Understood? Any statement you can pass it. Understood? That functionality also it will support this. Right. So you can able to pass the lexical parameters also like this way. So here you can pass how our parameters, when parameters we are passed. The similar way you can pass the lexical parameters also. So now how many sections we discussed? Data template and properties parameters. Under the parameters we have a bind parameter section as well as lexical parameters. And then if you go into data query, now data query is nothing but your SQL statement. Your SQL query you will going to write it, data query. Under the data query you will going to do it as a multiple SQL statement. Understood? So here is the name of the SQL statement Q1. Let me compare with you in your previous report. Suppose now previous RDF report you done, right? XML publisher report you done, right? The same thing you can do it into the BI publisher also. So Oracle. Okay. Now let me open the report builder. So this is your RDF. Okay. Now this RDF, what you need to do? You have a SQL query Q1, right? Take this SQL query. Now you don't know anything how to create a data type. Okay. As of now, what I am going to do is simply what you are going to do is your report. What is the report name? Let me come with from starting. So what is the data model name? Module name. So take the module name. So this is your module name. Okay. So now I go to module name. This is my module name. I replace it with my module name. Okay. When I created, so I created in 2009, January 1st and 1st. Okay. Now it is 9 o'clock. Suppose we are going to doing like this way. Now who is going to create it? Now here you are going to create it. Here you are going to create it. Understood? So you are understood now what I have the changes I done. My report name as a template name. Here it is going to date and name of the person you can. Next is going to the template name should be going to your template name. This is both. So I changed this one. Next is it should be uppercase and next parameters as of now I don't know. Now you go into your query, SQL query. Next what I need to do, data model. For this data model only you are going to doing this. Sorry. You can do this SQL query here. Now select your SQL query. So you can going to put your SQL query into your data query. Now copy your SQL query there and go into this is data query. Under the data query SQL statement, your SQL statement name cdata. It should be going to your query name, your query SQL query. What is the SQL query you have? You can going to put it that. Understood? Now in this query, now you are going to you have a two parameters. P underscore operating unit, P underscore supplier name. So now go to P underscore your parameter, okay, operating unit, and then next parameter is going to P underscore supplier name.
Okay.
Sorry. Now put your parameter, second parameter also. You have multiple parameters, you can put it into multiple parameters also. There is no issue. Okay. So similar way you can going to take your supplier name also. So now this is your supplier name. Understood? Now next what we can do. Now this is your SQL statement Q1. If you have multiple SQL statements, you can going to start it one more sub statement here. We're going to see that example in next level. First to try to finish a single SQL query statement. Next is going to, now if you have any data query if you going to expand it. Now the data structure is going to ended. SQL statement is ended and data query also ended. If you have a trigger, then you can put the triggers here. So that part we'll going to see on the next session. Next is going to data structure is started. Understood? So in the data structure you have a group. So what is the data structure and what is group? So in this, if you can going to see, Q1 is done, query name. Okay? This is a group. Data structure means group name. Under group is all are the elements. So similar way you can see into data structure, group name G1. Okay, source. So what is the source of that group? From Q1. The similar way you see, what is a group? G underscore P1 number. What is source? Q1. Under this G underscore P1 number, what are the elements? These all are the elements.
Okay.
Okay. So in the similar way, you are going to put it into here. What is the name of the group? G1. What is the data type of the group? Aircraft2. What is the source? Q1. Q1 is the query here. You can see the query here. Understood? So this is a query. Now copy your all the data types of here. What are the columns you are going to take in? So better to now a P1 number or these all the things are there. P1 number. My suggestion is always the query columns should be into uppercase, aliases. That maybe it will going to help to you. Understood? Let me put into 1 second. Give me a second. Go to tools.
Your voice is not clear.
Yeah, yeah. I am not speaking. Give me a second. Now are you clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay, right. So now see this. Now, if you are going to see this, yes, we don't have any data. The reason is now this PO number alias is there, right? Should we put it into uppercase? Uppercase. Better to put it into uppercase. So then we are mapping at that time. It should be clear. So now this is going to PO type and vendor name.
All aliases must be on in uppercase.
It's not mandatory. If you put better, that is when you are mapping at
Ah,
that time, it is better.
fine. Okay.
So put it this also in supplier name like that. You can put it in all in the uppercase. So vendor side code, vendor side code. So this is the way you can put it. So now all are updated into upper. And better to put it into parameters also in uppercase.
Oh,
When you are mapping at that time, it should not give any problem to you.
okay.
So that is the reason we are going to putting into uppercase. Now my query I changed it into uppercase. Now go and change your query. So I remove. Okay. Now this is your query you have tested. Now you can go into now see this P underscore operating unit.
Okay.
Now you can map into your parameters there. So this is your operating unit changes and supplier name.
How we will come to know about group in this in XML BI report because RDF is not there.
What group?
You are defining group below. Just go below. Group.
We'll explain you. Give me a second. Now you have a one query, right? Now you have
Yes.
a one query. For that query, you need to start a data structure. Under the data structure should be group. The group name you can give it anything, not a G1. You can give it Q1, T1, P1, anything you can give it. Understood? Okay. So, but the source is Q1. Here also, you no need to give it as a Q1 query name. You can give it any query name. If it is a PO query, AP query, how you want, you can give it your name. That's enough. Okay.
Okay.
So one more thing is, here it is group name also, you can give it your own group name. It's not a mandatory to give it Q1. Understood? Now for this group data type is what? Varchar 2. What is the source of the query? Okay? Understood? So that is the what. Then next we will
For this
going to
group name is data type is you are showing group name means it contains many data.
see correct sir. Group name is many data means the group is contains these all the elements. The group name is what is the name you are giving. The name data type this is. It should be always always
all data
varchar
type.
2.
Oh, okay, all data type should be same for all for this group.
No. Only this is the group data type. Group data type G1. I gave it G1. That is the reason varchar 2. If your group name is suppose 1, 2, 3, what you can do? 1, 2,
So it
3.
will be
Number, right?
it will be a number.
Right, like that. So always better to give it G1, G2, G3 like that you can give. Okay.
Okay.
So under the group, what are the elements are there now? These are the elements. PO number. Okay. Hello. So you can give element name and the value name. Both should be, you can give it same, no problem. But the value is always, it is coming, what is the value it is coming from above. Element name as ever.
Just go down.
Better to give it always, both should be same.
Just go down in a group.
This is all.
So, see, here in the group, you are putting all the elements.
Correct. See sir, simple logic. How is, look this one. Under this group only, G underscore PO number, under this group one is all the elements. The similar way here also we have all the elements into under this group G1.
Okay, fine. Okay. So if there are two groups are there, we have to make another group.
You need to make it. The group is ended right here. Hello? Here I ended. I can start one more group here.
Okay.
And if you want a group within the group also, you can do it. Okay? Now this is the element name, this is a column name.
This is just like we do group before, group after in the RDF report, same thing?
Sorry, come again.
No, in the RDF report we have to mention in group above, group before, like that. It is same thing here?
Right, same only you can do it. Here it is, the group is there, within the group you can do, outside of the group also you can do.
Okay.
But the data, within the data structure only you need to do these all the things.
Okay.
You have 5 groups. The 5 groups should be in the inside of the data structure.
Okay, fine.
Okay. If you have 5 SQL queries, it should be in data query, inside of data query.
Just show me one example with 2-3 groups.
No, first try to finish it one, then we'll going to work out multiple things.
Okay.
First understand a single group and single query, then we'll going to add it multiple things also.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Now supplier name. And one more thing is, you can follow the sequence also. The above how your SQL statement picking your columns data, the similar way you can take it in down also.
Okay.
So the element name and value name should be same. So what is the next one? So supplier contact. Next is going to PO amount. One more thing is, try to look at here. It is a type, right? It's not a number. It's a character. Varchar 2. Varchar 2. PO number is Varchar 2. Supplier name Varchar 2. Supplier number. Supplier number should be number. Supplier number Varchar 2, right? It's coming under segment.
Okay.
And the site code is Varchar 2. Supplier contact is a number.
Okay.
So PO amount you can take it as a number. How you want you can take number. Data type should be number. So now still I have elements. right?
Yeah.
So what you can do, you can copy this much element. So you can paste 1, 2, 3. Now you can going to see here what else things we need to do. Invoice amount, invoice date, invoice number, invoice amount, invoice date. Under this thing also, name. So aliases also you can put it.
Okay.
Understood. If you want, you can going to put the aliases also. Simply you can change the aliases and then you are going to add those. Okay. So now just for changing this invoice number.
Okay.
So invoice number, invoice date, invoice number. You can put it invoice number. If it is a varchar 2, put it varchar 2. If it is a number, put it number. If it is a date, put it date. So invoice number, invoice amount, invoice date. Now invoice date, last one. Invoice date. Now invoice date should be date data type. Okay. So now next what we can do? Wait a minute. What is the last one? Name. Operating unit. Better to, if you put it name, put it operating OU name. OU underscore name. Right? So
Yes.
you can put OU name. OU name. It should be varchar. Right. Now you are going to close your group and you close your data structure and you close your data template. So
Okay.
still you have any questions?
No, it's okay. Okay.
Good, right?
Yeah.
So now what we can do, now you can save your XML. Go to file, save as. So now we are going to put in this on dot XML. Already format is selected. You can save. That's saved. So now your layout is ready, sir. So what you can do now? Next steps. Go and register your layout.
Okay.
Operation. Welcome. Now go to what you can do. Where you need to register. So in here, what you can do, I will going to put it into underscore XML, right? REP underscore XML. Otherwise, BI I will put it for your understanding. Okay.
Okay.
Same already we have, right? Underscore BI. So Now next what we can do, so we're going to now you can go and register your XML. So go to XML publisher, home, data definition. Understood? So now, what is the one of the template? This is right. So now,
Yeah.
I am going to save this one. Notepad++. Let me open my computer. Some already existing one I am trying to open. Okay, now so I put it in the, see now how it looks like. It's not XML, right? So
Yeah.
once you save .xml, automatically it is going to change.
Okay.
Now save as dot .xml. Okay, the new folder I saved it. See now, once you change, automatically the data types are changed. See, the look and feel it is changed, right? Yes.
Yes.
Right. Next, what you can do, so here create a data template, data definition now.
Oh.
So you will going to create your data definition now. Understood?
Yeah.
If you want to go for first concurrent program, then you can create a direct concurrent program first. Then you can create a concurrent program. So here you can expect. So now I'm doing this xxgltp, xxgltp, gltp, okay, po analysis, bi report. Okay, understood. Now keep this your report name. Okay, now then you're going to now tell me, sir. Now I selected purchasing application.
Okay.
Now executable should be going to executable. What is that?
The file name.
What is the executable file name?
Name the short name.
What is the short name? No, there is no executable created, right?
Yeah.
What is that? XDO? Okay. Output should be.
But this SDO will always be there. The same name will be there always.
Right?
Huh?
Yes, always. BI publisher executable is always the same one. Okay. Now what is your parameters? Here. So you understood why I am asking for uppercase parameters.
From here.
Okay. Operating unit. So you can attach your what is the parameter? No, last time you are seen.
Yeah, correct, sir.
No. Some value set operating value.
Okay.
ADB operating unit.
Okay.
Okay, select your operating unit here. Okay, or else I am going to putting some 50 characters.
Okay. Fine.
50 characters. Okay, it is required, not a optional, mandatory one. And then next it is going to, okay, it should be 20. Now supplier name. So parameter you can take the supplier name.
Okay.
Supplier name. Value set I am going to give 50 characters again. It should be 30, some size, display size. It's required. Now you can save your content. Sorry, share the token and you can save. Right, your concurrent program is created now. Understood?
Okay. Fine.
Next what you need to do? You need to attach your concurrent program to where?
Responsibility.
Request group.
Uh-huh.
Request group. What is that request group name? All reports. You know right how to find?
Yeah, that I know. You can.
Go to your responsibility name and you can see.
Yes.
Now here you can attach. So this is the one. So you can save it. Now you created a concurrent program taking the default executable name xdoddxp and you attach the concurrent program to the request group, and then now you are switching to the XML publisher. Okay. Now you are trying to creating your executable name. Understood? Sorry, data definition name. So this is your data definition name. What is the short name? Short name of the concurrent program. Your concurrent program should be going to code.
Okay.
Understood?
Purchasing.
Next what you can do? Click on apply. Once you apply, then now data template. See here. Add your data template. Browse your .xml file. Now are you clear?
Yes.
Where is your XML file? New folder 2? No, where I saved? No, somewhere I saved it, right? Your template. Save as. Oh, it's already there, right? BI.
The new folder.
Right. New folder, right? Simply.
Yeah.
So this is the one. So select it into your that one and then click on apply. Understood? So now if you go into, now you can go and submit your consent program. Switch to purchasing, view, request, submit a request, single request, XXGLTAP. What is that? BI report only, right? So you can pass your operating unit and supplier.
Here we have to pass the operating just show me one example. If I want to pass only operating unit but no supplier, even though supplier parameter is there.
Oh, you can put it optional parameter for that.
Uh,
You can put it a optional parameter for that.
no, there are two parameters. Make one parameter mandatory, the operating unit, and second parameter optional. So if it is
Correct,
blank,
where
it will show all the records. If it is blank.
right, it will show.
Uh,
It's taking lot of time. Huge data is there. Let me put it some. Okay. Now my operating unit is going to Switzerland, Germany. My supplier is going to Chandra. Okay, now you can pass it. What you are asking, you don't want to pass the supplier name. Simply you need to change the here it is the here we have a parameter, right? So you need to use the NVL condition here. NVL of optional parameter.
uh,
So this is a comma POV dot vendor name. So what will happen? Whenever you are not passing, automatically it will picking all suppliers.
okay.
And you need to change the concurrent program level also. So you can submit this. Now you will get the XML output, right? See here. You will going to see the XML output. See now.
Okay.
So you can save our XML output. Okay. Now you can save your XML output and you can design your underscore output. Okay. So you can save it and then go to Word document and design your layout. But, right now load your
in XML we are getting the XML automatically. Here we have to create XML.
right. So you loaded the data and then you can design your layout. So I am going for all the fields simply. Okay. So now your layout is ready. Now in the layout you are going to put your layout name, how your layout you want. Simply you are going to put it the layout name of the report. So you can put it into center. Okay. So now in the parameters, in the output, what is the XML output is coming, right? So now better to look it here in those parameters also. Right. Give me a second. Now go to into XML add-ins, insert fields. Then you can see here what are the fields we have. Only this much fields you have. Now you can save these. Okay. What is that type? Which text format, right?
Okay.
RTF. Okay. Now you can go into my computer, new volume, what is that? New folder. You can save this. Okay. done. Next, what you need to do? You need to go into here, right? You need to go to. You need to copy the short name of this. Okay. So go to template. Create a template. Now here you can going to give the your template name and the short name. Short name is nothing but where is your this is the one, no, right? Where is your RTF layout?
Create one folder for me in my name and keep everything there.
Yeah, it's yours only. Now this is your short name. So this is the one you can take. So give it your code and then application name and template name. All you will going to take it. So you can give it. What is the output? Excel. Application should be going to purchasing. Okay. Your already data definition name what you created previously. So browse your RTF layout. This is the one only, right?
Yeah.
So English. Innoted state. And then now apply. Got it? So now you can go and submit your report. Okay. So now see the background, you can see template is coming.
Okay.
So now pass your supplier name as well as operating unit. 2 minutes. Okay. So pass your operating unit. So this is the way you can submit. You can click on no. So it's going to run. So now, sir, how this is going to mapping? If you go into F here, F, what is the group, sir? G underscore PO number.
Okay.
How this G underscore PO number is coming? You can go see G1 group. Under the G1 it is going to G1 group PO it will come. Okay. So like that it is going to, for each PO group is created. And in the similar way you can go into all the fields are mapped. Now you can see completed. You can go view output, see the XML output. So why output is not coming? Understood. In the XML, if you go and see the preview, Excel. Okay. But you can see the data here. But why the data is not coming there? Okay. That we need to cross check it. Why it is not coming there output? Even see the same only we are uploaded, right?
Yes.
Same whatever you are created here, the same thing you are uploaded into here. Template level. So here you need to go and you are going to updating to the same. So this is the template. So you are uploaded the same template. Okay, but when you are going to running the report, you are not getting any output. So what was the problem? What is?
How to find that?
What is?
How to find it? Why the data is not coming in the report?
We need to debug.
How?
We need to debug into the see, first of all, you got the XML data, right?
Yeah.
So you are able to see the XML data properly.
Yes.
Yes or no? So that means
Yes.
there is no issue in data template. Got it? So the issue in the template RTF layout. If the XML data is not coming, that means the issue in the data template. If the XML is coming but output is not coming, the issue in the template RTF layout.
Yeah.
Here you need to find it. Got me?
Yes.
So now if you're going to see here, so what is the group here? For each, you can see the output level also G1 group, right? So put it into G1 and then try it now. I saved it. Now I go there into template. You can upload. Apply, and then now you can see one more time. Preview. You can go and see. See now. Now it is not coming the data here. Let it be. We'll see. That is the what we need to debug like that only. Maybe some group is not showed properly. Then see, there is no issue in the data template. Understood?
Yeah.
If the issue in the data template, you shouldn't get the XML output.
Okay.
If the output is not coming in, the layout is the issue. Clear?
And what is the issue in the layout? Just try to find out.
Yeah, we need to look at that. See now. Got it?
Now it's coming.
It's coming. You can see PO number, PO amount, everything it is there, right? Hello?
Yeah.
But why the name is not coming? You need to look that why the name is not coming. You can see here only name is there. If you go into here, what it is there? In the layout, what it is there? Sorry, this is a wrong layout. Let me open the layout. Hello. Shahid, you can see here the name output XML output level. Are you going to able to see the name is there? OU name. So the mapping is not correct. OU name is there. Here what it is there? Only name is there. You need to map correctly, then it will come. What else? You can see output here. Remaining all are coming, right?
Yes.
Only the name is not coming properly. So now I mapped it. So I save it now. Okay.
Okay.
You can upload again and then you can run again simply. Yeah, tell me, sir, what you understood on this? What is it? Sorry, RTF layout. Done. Now you can go and run the report. Hello.
Still name is not coming.
Coming, sir.
Coming. It's coming now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the what?
If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and be a part of the journey with GoLogica and stay connected with the latest videos.